If that's not groovy, I don't know what is. Hey everybody, I'm Shira, the brand ambassador for Lion Brand Yarn, and I am unboxing 2 yarns today. And the best news, they are also available at Michael's. So let's see what is inside. What 2 could it be? Wow. Okay, the first one that I want to talk about today is that 70's yarn. Yes, when you use this yarn, you will transport to the 70's. That's not true. I love the colors. I love that it has that kind of groovy vibe to it. Like, can we get a little bit of a close-up so you guys can see what that looks like there? So it is that eyelash yarn. It has that woolly vibe to it. So it's not necessarily fun fur. It has like a little bit more of a woolly feel. There's about 38 yards in each ball, and it's a super bulky, so it's gonna work up very quickly. It comes in over 8 colors, lots of fun names that go along with the theme. We have Good Vibes, Groovy, Shagadelic. So something like this would be really fun for home deck, making that super cute squishy rug that you've always wanted to make for your feet when you wake up in the morning. Cute clutch, cute pillow cover, really fun to work with, and lots of fun colors. The next yarn that I want to talk about today is Mandala Tweed Stripes. Check this out. The whole family of Mandala is fun to work with because I love to say it's a really good travel yarn. That one-stop shop for that baby blanket, that little baby sweater, even a cardigan for yourself. There's so much yardage in this yarn and the colors are stunning. It's 426 yards, worsted weight, 100% acrylic, machine washable and dryable. So super fun and easy to use. This is really pretty, this color. Look at how fun that is. And the colors, so I don't know about you guys. I don't know which one you're more excited about, that 70's yarn or Mandala Tweed Stripes. I want to hear from you which one you're going out to get. I don't know. I might have to get both.